This is my Unit 6 test, and right now we're just going to jump into with a simple bar graph. This bar graph starts with is showing donations that a group got. Now we're going to say that they now have 20 people and 40 people. The donations are in the hundreds, so there's 100, 200, 300, 400. When the group had 20 people, they got roughly 300 donations. When they had 40, they had roughly 500 donations. Which it's just a bar graph, so it's just showing the difference and how much higher the 40 is. We're going to do another graph with a coordinate plane. This is pretty much this is the coordinate plane. We've just got lines here for numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, and negatives, positives, negatives. Now say we were the ordered pair was 3 and -4. So we got 3. So we go out 3, 1, 2, 3, and down. We go -4, so we go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our dot would be right here. And if we were making a line, we would have other sets. So let's say we had, let's go 1 and -2. So we're going to go right here. And we can do 1 and +2 right here. And if we were to draw a line of that would show, and it would not be a function, because you could do the vertical line test, and it does not, and it passes through to more than one point. A function is a relationship between an input value, the domain, and the output value, the range. The domain can only correspond to one range. So here's this, we're going to have 1 and 2. This is the domain, the x, and this is the range, the y. Input, output. The 1 can only correspond with the 2, and the 2 can only correspond with the 1. I already said this, but the vertical line test is if you can draw a straight line down, a straight vertical line down the graph without crossing over the same line more than once, then it is a function. If you cannot, say it's a kind of like that, you can't, because it goes through multiple spots on the line, so it's not a function. Now, an independent variable is a variable that stands alone, such as y. So y would equal something. This is the independent variable. A dependent variable is a variable that stands with other factors. So you have y equals 7 minus 2x. The x is a dependent variable because it has other factors along with it. The y is independent, the x is dependent. That would be the Unit 6 test.